Let's go. All right, what we're doing, Jeremy? What we're doing?
I'm lifting my boy right here.
All right, he's gonna lift him up and he's gonna squat him.
160 pounds. Can I take your shirt off?
Now take your shirt off. Oh, squat him. Go. Oh.
Come on.
Y'all need a shot. Y'all need a shot now.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Tank be chopping, and I'm back with another video. Now I know y'all been thinking like, Tank, where you been at? You ain't dropped a video in a while. You've been MIA, and you know your boy's been a little busy. You know what I'm saying? I just came off of a long stretch of doing 30 videos in 30 days, so I'm a little tired from doing all that. You know what I'm saying? I wanted to take a slight little break, but nonetheless, guys, we back on the grind. I'm gonna start creating more content for y'all. We're gonna start putting out different type of videos again, and really, I just been really busy with doing other things right now. Me and my wife are currently in the process of transitioning all my Booksy clients to a different booking platform. You know what I'm saying? Like, we were up late last night just creating contacts, you know what I'm saying, editing the contacts, doing what we have to do to get everybody situated on this new platform. I know people are gonna be like, why are you leaving Booksy? And it's not that Booksy was bad, it's just I had a couple issues with it. You know, it'd go down, clients couldn't book, they couldn't load my page up. So there were some small issues that I just got tired of dealing with. So I said, you know what, we're gonna do something different. I'm gonna do it to where you can book off of my website. And then once you book on the website, I can actually send you an invitation. And basically what this invitation is basically like my app's website, so you can book appointments on there. It's really simple to navigate, and it's just, I just feel that it's better for me, you know what I'm saying? Not that Booksy was bad, not that, you know what I'm saying, I had horrible problems with it, but the little problems that I did have did become a headache, and I just don't want to deal with that no more, so I decided to do everything on my own. Well, I say on my own, but it's really me and my wife. But nonetheless, guys, I got that going on, and then we got CT Barber Expo coming in a couple weeks, something I'm super, super excited about. You know, I've never been out there. Me and wifey are going to be going out there. We're going to be out there for Barber Grammys. We're going to be out there Sunday. We're going to be out there Monday. We're flying back. We're doing the whole thing out there, you know what I'm saying? We're going to try to enjoy ourselves. We're going to try to have a good time, but at the same time, I'm going to try to come out with content for y'all. So your boys got some content coming, guys. Y'all just make sure that y'all stay checking up on your boy. And if you haven't already checked the website, go check that out, tankbechopping.com. What else we got for y'all? So I did get the Apex in the blue one. You know, I originally had the red Apex. Well, now I got the blue Stylecraft Apex. I don't know if I'm gonna use it yet. I might just use it, put it to use, see if it's different from the red one, which I don't think it is, but it might be, who knows. But nonetheless, guys, we're on the way to the shopper now. We got a couple clients to cut today. I really don't know what I'm doing for this video just yet, but we're gonna figure it out once we're doing it, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, let's go ahead and get it. All right, guys, so here is the blue Apex I was telling y'all about. Got the same stuff on the inside. I'm gonna go ahead and use it, see if it works the exact same. I'm sure it does, but y'all know what it is. Let's get it. Come on. Alright guys, so check it out. Once again, here is the Apex. Y'all know I already have a red one, but for whatever reason, this blue one just seems to work a little better. Maybe it's just in my head. Maybe it's because it's brand new, you know what I'm saying? I don't know, but for whatever reason, I'm really rocking with this one a little more than the red one. Might use it for the rest of the day. I don't even much know yet, but I'm not gonna give like a full review like I normally do because I've already done that. But out the box, works good. Like I said, I like it better than my red one. I want to change this and put the clear face on it, so I might do that right now. But yeah, guys, nonetheless, this is the clipper. Let's go ahead and see what else comes in the box. Pretty sure it's the same thing, but let me just show y'all in case y'all didn't see that. So once again, here is the box. You know, it comes. The clipper was right here. You got the charging stand right there. Same charging stand as the Stylecraft Mythic, the Apex, and the Saber. And then on the inside, we get the other face plate, the clear one. Probably gonna throw that on there real quick. And then we got the charging cable. We got another set of dubs. Then we get the screwdriver. And then right here, we got that stretch bracket. We got some oil, we got some extra screws. We got another cam follower in there. And then we got this that we don't ever really use. But yeah, guys, that's basically what comes in the box. I'm gonna go ahead and put this lid on my clipper. I like the way it looks, so I'm gonna go ahead and change this little blue piece out and put the clear one in. Let's get it. I'll take a look at these boys now. They look nice with that see-through on it. Let's go.
Damn it, Tito. Another one?
Alright guys, so I'm done for the day. On my way home, you know what I'm saying? About to head to the crib. The transition from Booksy to using my website and my website's app, it's been pretty easy, you know what I'm saying? I've had a couple people book on Booksy, and all I do is send them a text message and be like, hey, I'm gonna be using my website from now on, or the new app. Send them a link to the app, and they, you know, they book, they switch it up. Easy, you know what I'm saying? Like, no questions asked. It's real easy for them to manage, easy for me also, so that's been easy. I did get that Apex in a couple weeks ago. I put it to use today. It's been a good minute since I had it and I hadn't used it, but I actually put it to use today. And if y'all been watching, you know, your boy been working with it, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not too fluent with it. It does cut slightly different, but for the most part, it works really, really good. I'm actually impressed with it. For whatever reason, my red one doesn't work as good as the blue one, so I don't know what it is, but my blue one just works better and I like using it, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, like, off the jump, I would say that it's a good clipper. I wouldn't say it's the best clipper, but it is a great clipper to have. Good all-around clipper, debulks well, fades well, details well. It does everything that you need, so you really don't need another clipper. Now, you can add other clippers to the arsenal, or you can use different clippers to debulk, but I think it does pretty good at everything. Like, debulking it did well, fading it did good, you know what I'm saying? It's just a good all-around clipper, and I really like it. So that's basically it for this video, guys. If y'all like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe one time for your boy, and that's basically it, YouTube. I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, let's go.